How to edit or delete a cronjob in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Advanced section and click on the Cronjobs icon. Scroll down to go to Current Cronjobs and locate the cronjob you want to edit. Next to the cronjob we want to change, there is an Edit option. Click it. You can change the time and frequency of a cronjob. For example, change it from once a day to once an hour. After making the required changes, click on the button Edit line. That's it. You have successfully edited the cronjob. To delete the cronjob, go and click on the Delete button. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.